Assalamualaikum. Today we will do our sixth live session of maths, and today our new topic is started approximation. 27th September 2000. Okay. Now in the last thing I have to tell you something about. So now I have to start our lesson. Okay. Now let's start. Okay, so now first in approximation we actually called it rounding off, which is very easy for you. Oh. Rounding off. Now what is approximation? What is rounding off? Now you got like you go do like you did shopping. Okay. Shopping. Shopping. So and your bill was $271. Or 200 and okay, I should do $273. Okay. Now if your father asks you that tell me how much shopping you did, so you will say I did. You don't say I did my bill did $273. So you cannot remember this much. So that's why we should do approximation. By approximation you can tell everyone that this is how much your amount. Now now if you round it off in hundreds, so it will be get $300. So if your father asks how much price did you take in shopping, you will say $300. Or if your father says how much did it cost and you say in tens, rounding off at tens, so it will be $260 if you can remember till tens. And you can remember from the units also. So this also will come 2, but the 2 will come 3. Now how are we doing this? 273 will rounding off to 300. How? Because like there is 1, 5 and 10. Okay. Now if you have a number less than 5, so if it will be less than 5, sorry for some distraction, voice is coming a lot. Okay. Now if you get less than 5, so what you will do, you will get a number 75, or like you got 70, no, like you got 94. Okay, then it is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So what we will do, we will come back to 0. Okay, so what we will do is we will write 90, and if it will be more than 5, like 97, so it is more than 5, so it will come with 10. So what you will do now? Now you will round off into your answer will come 100. Okay. Now if I am telling you another example of if you are maintaining your car or you are servicing your car and your total amount was 700 pounds. Okay. Oh no, dollars. You got $700 for car service. or you buy a car for no, not 700. You will get $7,123. Your father will ask, how much was the price of your car? So what you will tell? You will tell, my total price of the car was 7,000, because you are rounding off from 1,000. I think if not in questions, if by yourself, if you got the last is 100 or 10th or this is easier to remember. Like I am telling you that 7,000 can be easy to remember. Now you have to do till hundreds. So in hundreds you can do 7,100, because 23 is less than 50. Now you got 7 1. How to round off? Our answer will come 7 1 7 1 20, because 3 is less than 5. Now whole it will come 0. Now what we have to do? We should start with our questions. Okay, they are very less questions, so we will do 3 questions. Okay, then I will tell you something which I told you in the starting. Okay. Okay. Now you got a question. You have to round off 3,409,725. 3,409,725. Okay. Okay. Now you have to round off till nearest 10 to nearest 100 to nearest 1,000 to nearest 10,000. Sorry, a little bit distraction is coming from guys. I'm very sorry. From a lot of days I'm saying to you. I'm very sorry. Now you got tens. So where is tens coming? It is coming over here. It is coming over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here tens. So after 2, 5 is less than or more than, is equal to 5. So whenever it is equals, we should come to the end, to the 10. So what we will do? We will do, our answer will be 3,4,0,9,7,30. This is your tens answer. Okay. Now you got of 100. In 100 you need to do 7. Now 25 is less than 50 or more than 50? Less than 50. So now what we will do? We will write 3, 4, 0, 9, 700. Because if they were 50, 60, 70, 80 and like this, so we can do it till 800. Now we should do 700. Now we got 1000. In 1000 we have to do 9 first. So 9725. 97. Our answer will come 10,000. How our answer will come 10,000? How come? Because in this you have to like 725. 725 are more than 500. So we will call it more. So what we will do? Our answer will come 3, 4 3 million 4 lakh 10,000 7,000. This is how you know. Now last 10,000. 10,000 is having a 0, and which is not wait a minute, I should come in 2 seconds. Okay, now what happened that 0 has no value. So what we will do, what we did in hundreds, thousands, we will do as same as it is. So what we will do, 3 4 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, now we will do a word problem. No. Yes, but then we will do another question, then I will tell you. Now you got a question. In 2010, Singapore welcomed one what is it called? 1 billion 11 million 6 lakh 11 million 6 lakh 11 million 6 lakh visitors, okay, in Singapore. Visitors, and this value has been rounding out to the nearest 1 lakh. This is rounding off to 1 lakh. So now we have to round off. 6 we have. And all the zeros have no value. So to find out, let's go in 2 seconds. Okay, the possible smallest and the possible largest will be what it will be? It will be 11 million 64 6 lakh 49,999, and the largest can be 11 million 555,000 55 11 lakh 11 million 5 lakh 50,000. Okay, now let's come with our last question, which is not a word problem. Okay, so now we got a question of 698,352, 6 lakh 98,354 to 52. We have to round to go till 100. Very easy. What we have to do? We have to count to 3 first. Okay. Now 3. 552 is bigger than 50. So what we will do? Our answer will become 6,98,400. If two numbers are also big, we can do it for them. Because if in math you did a -1 or +1 difference, so your marks will be cut. That's the biggest problem. That's why we should be careful in every digit. Yes, I am always in ones. Now we got 1000. We have to come to 8. 352. Smaller than 500. So what we will do? Our answer will come 6 lakh 98,000. Because 352 was smaller, or else your answer will come 6 lakh 99,000. Yes, 99,000. Yes, 99. Now you got of 10,000. We have to count to 9. 8532 is bigger than 5,000. So what we will do, our answer will come 6. 6, what should I do? 9, 8. You will hold. Our answer will come 7 lakh. Because 9 is bigger, so 6 will be into 7. This is how we do. Okay, I am coming in just a second to tell you about a small thing. Okay, now what your question is, this is your homework. I will not tell you. And if you do not understand this question, please, I will open the comment section. Please tell me the answer of this. Tomorrow is holiday of Chelam. So that's why today I will not do any live session. So after tomorrow we will do 7th live session and I will tell you what topic it will be in the comment section or the description, or else I will not tell you. So this is your question. Ali says that 26.97 is equals to 27 because he thinks that 27.0 is the same as 27. Do you agree? Do you agree that Ali says that 26.97 is equal to 27 and 27.0 is the same as 27? And then explain why are you agreeing or why are you not agreeing. Okay, now for now, Allah Hafiz. Like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.